If you're someone who doesn't like to settle for anything short of perfect, the Bridge House, a popular student accommodation in Edinburgh, is just for you. Take your pick from a selection of spacious, non-ensuite rooms, each featuring a luxurious bed with bedside table, dedicated study area, spacious wardrobe, huge storage space, and a fully equipped shared kitchen with a convenient breakfast bar to snack on something every morning. But that's not all. Ace your academic game with a dedicated desk and high-speed Wi-Fi. Bid adieu to daily hassles with an on-site laundry and secure bike storage facility. Safety is paramount at the Bridge House Edinburgh with CCTV surveillance, secure access systems, and round-the-clock assistance. In terms of location, both Edinburgh College of Art and Edinburgh Napier University are just a stone's throw away, letting you head home and take a breather in between your lectures. After a long day, explore the vibrant nightlife with numerous bars and pubs nearby, perfect for catching up with friends, watching a match, or dancing the night away. On weekends, take a deep dive into the culture of this enchanting city by visiting iconic landmarks such as Edinburgh Castle, the National Museum of Scotland, and the Royal Botanic Garden. Thanks to the close proximity to various transport options, getting around the city is a breeze. So, are you ready to unravel the magic of Edinburgh at the Bridge House? If yes, head over to amberstudent.com and book your ideal stay at the Bridge House Edinburgh today.